Hello, in this video we will see how we can create a watchdog timer between two PLCs to make sure there is no communication fault. So on my screen, if you look here, I created one timer here of half second, which is triggering my message instruction to read from my version 20 PLC, and over here it's version 32. And what we are reading these. Let's open this. We are reading this double integer array L32 read message, and we are putting it into timer 20 from 0 right here till the length of 10. Or let's say put here 20 if in case, and let's say what effect it does. 200 here on 9th coming in, and over here if I put here, let's say 100, it's coming in, 120, it's coming in. So that way also it's correct. So from L32 read message we are putting into timer 20, which is also double integer of array of 10. And communication side, I have put L20 processor, which is right here on the tree. I added on location number 0 of my current emulator. So my emulator, let me show you, it's right here. So on location number 0, it's version 20, and location number 2 is version 32. Okay, so let's move forward. I'm going to create another run where I'm going to say every single time my timer 1 ACC bit number 0 will trigger, I will send the data with same on my message L32 0 and 0 right here. So what it will do, as you can see on the screen, it is turning on and off like that. And so if I will put here 500, as you can see, it's turning on and off, not that frequent. Okay, on the other hand, you can see it's gonna be 1 and 0, 1 and 0 gonna keep coming like that. On the other hand, what we're gonna do, we will create 3 runs with the timer. I'm gonna copy this timer and paste it in here, and over here I'm gonna create comms fault. When this comms fault will happen, every single time this timer will be done. So on this timer, I want to keep resetting those timers. This is going to be my timer 1 for, let's say, 2 seconds, and this is going to be my timer 2 for, again, let's say 5 seconds should be fine. Okay. I want these timers to trigger every single time this bit will come over here. So that means this location. I will put it in here and in here. And I want every single time this timer 1.done bit will be here, there will be a fault, communication fault. Let's accept all the edits. And you can see right now these timers are keep resetting. That means I'm pulling data from here continuously. Let's go to the quick watch, and we have seen that already. If I put 200, nothing gonna happen here because we are reading from here. So 200 here, it will go away. That's up to us how frequent we want this communication to happen, but I want this communication to happen every half second. Or I can put here, let's say this communication will happen more quicker, 250 millisecond. There you go. Now my timers are not reaching up to that. And if I put here 1 second, that looks good. So now my timers are keep resetting. And if something happens, for example, let's say communication get lost, I'll just delete this, accept pending edits, and test it. And now you can see this timer will keep going up. And after 5 seconds, you will have communication fault. But as soon as your communication will be back, your fault will be gone. There you go. So that's how you can create a watchdog timer between two PLCs to just make sure that the communication is good. Every single data will be received within a time frame. There is a different ways to create these watchdog timers, but this is the one way to do that. And that's all about it. Thank you.